A Cyclone dust collector is a vacuum cleaner attachment that will separate larger particles before they make their way into the vacuum cleaner bag. It is ideal in workshop scenarios as it allows for the bulk collection of debris such as sawdust into a separate container without filling the relatively small vacuum cleaner bag. There are lots of commercial units available, and there is a plethora of YouTube videos that will show you how to make one. This YouTube video is no different, except that we've stripped away all of the airflow dynamics that most backyard scientists believe is necessary to know before attempting a build. We've also stripped the requirement for baffles of various sizes and designs, and also the requirement for side entry nozzles. We have done this because, well, basically, it is not required. So please sit back and enjoy this video and build your own cyclonic vacuum cleaner attachment. The build should take you less than 30 minutes, and even if you have none of the required parts, this project will cost you less than $30. Unit assembly is straightforward. The video will show you exactly what goes where. We're only talking about 7 parts, 8 if you want to count the bucket lid separately, so it should be easy to follow the build process. The operational effectiveness of this Cyclone dust collector is making sure that there is no loss in vacuum pressure through leaks, so keep your tolerances tight, especially when drilling the lid holes. If you do have leakages, then a rubber gasket can be added or a bead of silicone applied. The most important part of this device will be the bucket lid. It needs to be tight fitting and robust enough to handle being opened multiple times throughout its operational life. Click it all together. The 45-degree elbow needs to be rotated so that its edge runs close to the inside bucket wall. We are now ready to test the unit. Here is some sawdust that I prepared earlier. The bucket is empty. The vacuum cleaner has a new bag installed and is also empty. Connect the vacuum cleaner to the central connector and connect another hose to the Cyclone connector. How well did this work? Well, here is the sawdust in the Cyclone dust collector. And here is the contents of the vacuum cleaner. The bag is empty. I'd call this a success. The true effectiveness of how this unit works is to show a real life example. My table saw usually has a rooster tail of flammable, fine cellulose dust streaming out the back when it's ripping timber. Should this dust make contact with the flame, it would make a dropped napalm bomb look like a child's birthday cake candle. Thank you for sticking to the end. Please like, share and subscribe. Comments are always welcome.